Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, April 11, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, April 11, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong April 11, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, April 11, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 15.8 million pesos for April 11, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, April 11, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.